Welcome to STEAM Fair.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق. خلق الإنسان من علق. اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم. صدق الله العظيم.
About subjects, it's about sparking curiosity, unleashing creativity, and solving real world challenges. This fair is a platform to showcase the innovative projects, talents, and ideas of our students. To formally inaugurate our event, we would like to invite our respected principal, Ms. Sadiqa Abdeen, to deliver the welcome address. Please give her a big round of applause.
Thank you for your support and encouragement to our lovely students. Honorable guests from participant schools, indeed many thanks for accepting our invitation for this important event. Your cooperation with the school and encouragement and support you gave to your students will surely add a great value to our community. Gratitude and thanks go to the hard-working team, organizing team, and the wonderful leader, Ms. Arshia, for creating motivating and challenging opportunities for our students to innovate and compete. Sons and daughters, nothing is worthy to start with other to say thank you for your efforts and innovations. Here in Tiles Private School, we're proud to celebrate our students' creative achievements every year in the STEAM Fair. Our mission is to support our students to achieve and develop their personality through the essential 21st century skills. In our wonderful school, we are building generations who are motivated to create, innovate, and compete in a healthy and nurturing environment. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring words. Your message, your encouragement fuels our passion for learning and discovery.
Next, we are honored to welcome our guest speaker, Ms. Mahra Abdul Rahman, a cardiovascular specialist who will share her valuable insights on heart, our body's superhero.
As the way they introduced me, my name is Mahra Fala Marzi. I work as a cardiovascular technologist at Mohammed bin Khalifa Cardiac Center, which is the only cardiac center or heart center in the kingdom. My main job is to help the doctor reach the examination needed for the heart to be treated. First, who can tell me what is the heart? Students.
Important part of the body. Without it, we cannot live.
Important organ in our body that without it nothing works. The heart is, as what we call it, the pumping machine of the body. What the heart does is, maybe people will think that it's only pumping blood, but actually it's doing more than that. It is the engine that works the whole body. It is the engine that pushes the heart around the body to get nutrition, to get oxygen, and to work properly. So what the heart does, as what we said, is that it helps the body reaches the work that it needs to do. It helps all the organs to do what it is needed from it by giving it oxygen and nutrition. The length of the circulatory system, or the blood system in the heart, actually it is about 60,000 miles, which means around 97 kilometers, which is about going around the planet Earth 2 times, or close to more than 2 times around the planet Earth. The heart beats around 100,000 beats per day, and which is about 35 million times a year, and it pumps around 5.5 liters per day. The main thing of the heart, or about the heart, is that the heart is a muscle with a special kind of muscles that are very different than the muscles in our body. It differs because the way it works. The heart muscle works continuously, never stop. Stopping of the muscle meaning ending of life. This is why it's a very special organ in our body. But the heart, as all other parts in our body, it has its limitations once we push it very hard. Sometimes it gets weak. Could anybody tell me why the heart gets weak or how it will get weak? The things that makes the heart weak.
Extra sugar.
Extra sugar, other than
Enough water.
not drinking enough water,
Smoking.
smoking, not eating healthy food.
Not eating healthy food.
Not eating healthy food and smoking.
Again? Less exercise.
Less
More candies.
Okay.
Blood pressure.
Blood pressure, and it is caused by
Too much of stress.
too much stress. You're right.
Drinking alcohol.
Makes the heart weak is less exercise, eating junk food and having energy drinks, smoking, not exercising, having lots of stress. All of these reasons cause the heart to get tired because we are overloading the heart. We are making the heart working double the time that it needs to work. We're not giving the heart a chance to rest. And this problem will cause the heart to have lots of diseases. Main of them is the heart attack. Heart attack is a very big thing that caused most of death all around the world. In addition to that, it might cause stroke, it might cause kidney disease because they are all related. Okay, what else? What should we do?
Exercise, eat healthy food, and don't eat much sugar.
We need to exercise because as all muscles in our body, we go to the gym, we exercise, we want to build muscles, but how about the muscle that is inside, the muscle that we cannot see, but we can feel every minute of the day? That muscle also needs to exercise to work better. Eating junk food will cause us to have lots of junk in our body, lots of fat in our body. The fat affects the heart and makes it work weak. Stress also is one of the main reasons that most people are having heart problems. Sometimes we are healthy, we are exercising, we eat very good food, we never eat junk, but stress itself will put a much pressure load on the heart and will make it go very weak. For example, even sadness, a very massive sadness also will cause heart disease, and we've seen it. We've seen something called a broken heart syndrome, and the heart does break down, and we see the broken parts because of sadness. It looks totally different, it works different because it is broken. One of the things, a personal experience. I had an MI. I'm a cardiac patient. It was 3 months after my father passed away. The sadness was massive. And that was the reason that I got my MI. So I know sometimes we need to get sad. Sometimes things happen that force us to get sad. But try to remember that everything happens from God, good things and bad things. Our health, if it goes away, it never comes back. Don't say I'll go on medication. Don't say I will start taking care of myself. Taking care of ourselves should start from the beginning, not after we have an issue, not after we have a problem. We all like to feel good about ourselves. We like to dress well, we like to smell well, we like to behave well, so people will see us in our best selves. But how about the things that are inside? We need to make them be well as well. We need to have all our organs working well, our heart working well. And also we need to keep it at its best health. As what I said, if your health goes away, it will never come back. It is not the same as before. So stay healthy, be safe, and keep your machine pumping. Thank you.
Where you can unravel your inner scientist by diving into the world of science.
And finally, you can spin to win. Take a spin and win exciting prizes by answering robotics and IT-related questions. Thank you, everyone, and enjoy the event to the fullest.
Hello, my name is Nasser Ahmed Al-Ansari. My name is Abdurrahman Khalid Al-Ta'i. We are both from grade 5A. Today we will be talking about our experiment, lemon clock. Can we turn a lemon into a battery? Yes. So, lemon has a lot of water. Soluble materials may make a chemical reaction that affect our electrodes and make a digital clock work. What we will need? We will need 2 lemons, 2 copper stripes, 2 zinc stripes, connecting wires, and a digital clock. Procedure. Insert the zinc and the copper into the connecting wire. Then insert the zinc into the black wire, negative, and the red wire, positive, to the copper stripe. Insert the copper and zinc into the lemon. Let's see if this works. See, the lemon could transfer the electricity to make the digital clock work. And the result is, after making the procedure, the lemon is a simple battery with metal strips, gives power to the digital clock. Thank you.
Hello. Good morning, everyone. That's our project, and I am from New Vision School. This is my friend Ahmed, and this is my friend Said. We here today to talk about our project, hand crank generator. Hypothesis of it is, if a hand crank generator built with motor, gears, and pulley system, the mechanical energy will change into electrical energy. The evidence of this that the light bulb will turn on. That demonstrates that the principle of energy transformation.
Can we see something here?
What is the sun like? You cannot see.
Into electrical energy.
Yeah.
Yes, see Uzra, Miss Uzra, yes, yes. Okay. Okay, mechanical energy is converting into
Electrical energy.
The materials that we use to build the hand crank generator are wood generator, light bulb, USB, and glue, rubber, and wires, and light bulb. So as we can see here, if we spin it slowly, it will make less energy. But the faster we spin it, the more energy it will produce to the light bulb, so that it lights up way more. Here like this, it's slow, only little bit energy. But when it's fast, it makes
with limited access.
Sorry, can I repeat?
we can also
In emergency power in areas with limited access.
Limited access.
Yeah.
Okay. So how did you get this?
Now let's talk about the conclusion. This project demonstrates how the hand crank generator is provide reliable energy source for emergencies, like supporting disaster relief and charging a small electronics. Now let's talk about the innovation ideas. Problem 1. Difficulty charging devices in emergencies. Solution. We could add a USB-C that for charging the small devices. Problem 2. No power storage for later. You could use a rechargeable battery. Problem 3. Limited emergency tools. We could add a radio or fan or maybe phone charger with the USB-C. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy our project.
My name is Rawan Nair from grade 4B. Today I want to tell you about my project. This is the magnetic swing. Swings are a fun playground activity that children love. But have you heard about magnetic swings? So these swings use powerful magnets to help them move. They have two poles, the north pole and the south pole. When same poles face each other, they repel. But when opposite poles face each other, they attract. Magnetic swings can be very eco-friendly. Magnetic swings also can be made in a large scale. Factories need. Engineers and designers must create a safe and strong swings, and also they must use powerful magnets such as neodymium magnets. Thank you.
Okay, can we?
Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to be displaying my project, the elevator project. The tools I used in this project: pieces of wood, small engine, batteries. How we can use the small elevator project. Press on switch on button. The box will go up by turning the wheel. In this project, the energy is changed from electrical energy to kinetic energy. Benefits of the elevator: it helps old and disability people to move easily in homes and other places. Benefits of home elevator: increases the home value, and provides confidence, improves safety, optimizes space. If you need, don't tamper with your home safety device. Let the elevator expert handle it. Keep the area around your elevator neat and far from furniture. The elevator is stuck. When the elevator is stuck,
Don't open the door or use the elevator phone for help. Be sure that your children and pets are away from the doors. Thank you. If you need more information, you could scan my QR code.
Good morning, everyone. We are Fatma Banki and Zainab Al Jori. We are very excited to present our carnival ride project. We love carnival rides. That's why we did it. We wanted to know how they move. The ride is built using plastic caps as seats, supported by a strong frame rotating by a motor. We designed the base using cardboard, and we built it using wooden sticks. We even attached plastic bottle caps. We connected the motor to the ride so it can rotate and spin. We also connected the battery, and we added the switch, battery and wires to switch it on and off. Now we will show you how it opens and stops. Now it is moving. Why is that? Because the motor is also rotating, and it rotates the ride too. And we stopped it by removing this with the battery. Electrical energy is converted to kinetic energy. For future improvements, this is even a solar energy. So it's eco-friendly. S is for science. This uses friction. T is for technology. It has a motor inside it. E is for engineering. We made a circus ride. A is for art. We decorated it. M is for math. We used a ruler to measure it. We hope that you liked and we showed you how physics, engineering and science work. Thank you. Any questions?
Hello everyone, my name is Faisal Tariq and I'm from grade 5B. Let me introduce you to my project, Game Coding. Let me introduce you to Scratch. Scratch is a free block-based coding language developed by MIT. Scratch is a very big among the world for kids communities. I made a games for underwater cleaning. Let me tell you the game objective. The game's objective is to collect as much trash and debris from the ocean and the AI-driven ocean pollution. This game uses an AI algorithm to generate and distribute the ocean pollution in a very dynamic way, in a dynamic and unpredictable manner. This ensures that each game session presents a unique challenge requiring the player to adapt their strategies and explore the environment thoroughly. The player score is determined by the amount of trash and debris collected within the time limit. As the player progresses through the game, the level of difficulty increases, with more challenging obstacles and a higher density of pollution appearing in the ocean. Let me show you the game. You can try the game. As you can see.
So did you share this game with anyone?
Yeah, and only my friend and my teacher.
So you're basically interested.
Hello everyone, I am Badr Gambra from grade 5B. My experiment is simple motorized car. If a small DC motor is connected to a power source and properly attached to wheels, then the car will move because the motor will convert from electrical energy into rotational energy. Do you know how it will work? First
First of all, we have to build the body of the car using wooden sticks, and then properly attach the wheels using bottle caps, set up the motor, batteries, wires, and then connect the power. Finally, test the car on a flat surface and turn on the motor. Soon, I would like to improve my car by using different materials. I can use stronger battery to make it faster, and I also can change the wheels into another material to make it more flexible and to work in other surfaces. Thank you for listening. I hope you like my experiment, and it's my pleasure to answer your questions.
Can I see it?
Good morning, everybody. My name is Abdullah Khajazaf. I'm from grade 5B. Today, my project is about building a vacuum cleaner from everyday material. I choose this topic because I want a vacuum. I'm interested in recycling, and I want a vacuum cleaner that is portable. So, what is a vacuum cleaner? A machine that works by picking up dirt and dust by using a strong motor, a big fan, special filter, and a strong battery. But my vacuum cleaner is simple because I use home materials that I recycle to make this vacuum cleaner. So the materials that I use to make this vacuum cleaner are a motor, a fan, a plastic tube, a plastic bottle, a battery holder, a switch, a scissor, and a glue. The steps to make the vacuum cleaner are: first, make the vacuum cleaner body and put the plastic tube. Then put the motor and the fan. Next, connect the motor into the switch and the battery holder by using a wire. Then put the filter. Finally, check if the vacuum cleaner works. So the results are: the fan and the motor will make a section that will pick up dust and dirt. The filter catches the dust of the dirt. So in the future, I would like to put a bigger fan, a stronger motor, improve my design, a stronger battery, a special filter to get larger things. Thank you for listening.
Can we see it one more time? Could you show how it works?
Yeah.
Vacuum cleaner?
Yeah.
So it can made into bigger, right?
Yeah.
It can be made into
Scientific project, steam fair. This is an hydraulic powered robotic arm. It is used. Why did I use this project? Why did I pick this project? Because it is very scientific and intelligent. It is useful because of the junkyard. It's useful to junkyard to lift dead cars and to pick them each other and smash them together and throw them. It is very good, and the materials that are needed for it is wood, cardboard, syringes, and ice cream sticks, and cardboard, and down here, wood and pipes that go around, and glue. Look, I will show you how is it working.
I saw it moving. Wonderful.
Hello, my name is Mohammed Amir. Today we will explain. Today I am from Quality Education School and I am from grade 5. Today we will explain our research project. That is Fuel for Focus. This experiment is to show that eating healthy food is good for you and for your body. It is good for making your brain sharp and making you get concentrated more and focus more. We made this project to show that eating healthy food is good for your body. We help to encourage other students to eat more healthy food because we often see other students after recess eating unhealthy food and getting tired and not concentrated and not focusing. Now Adam will explain. No, wait. And the aim for our project is to investigate how a balanced breakfast contributes to a student's ability to concentrate and to learn during school hours. Now Adam will explain the methods. So we did a couple of methods for the students to see their concentration. So the first test we did is listening test. We read out loud 10 words to 10 students. 5 students that eats unhealthy food and the other ones eat healthy food. So then we saw how much they can recall and we write it down in a paper. So then we went to the Excel app and we made the bar chart. In the bar chart, we can see that the people who eat unhealthy food scored less, but the people who eat healthy food scored more. So then we did another test, which is the concentration test. We used the Mental Up app, so and we chose pick the odd one out. So we called 10 students and we told them to pick the odd one out. We called them before and after they ate their food. After that, we carefully noted the scores that they did. And then we went to Excel app again so we can make the bar chart. In the bar chart, the people ate high sugar scored less points, but the people ate a healthy food scored more. Then we did the third test, which is they have to make a list of words within these letters. We called them before and after they had their food, and then we went to the Excel app so we can make the bar chart again. In the bar chart, the people ate unhealthy food scored less points, but the people ate healthy food scored more before they had their food, after they had their food. Then we did the visual memory test. We used the Mental Up app, and we chose the flashcard scheme. So then we called them before and after they had their food, and we counted how much seconds it took them to find their pairs of the cards. So then we went to the Excel app so we can make the bar chart. In the bar chart, the people ate high sugar scored less, but the people who ate healthy food scored more. Then we made a digital survey by using Google Forms. In the Google Form, we analyzed the response of the students who did the Google Form. Now the conclusion will go to Hussein.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. My name is Hussein from Quality Education School, Grade 4. And the conclusion from our research experiment is children who ate healthy food concentrate more and focus more. Children who ate unhealthy food concentrate and focus less. So that means that healthy food make you concentrate and focus more. And now we made a wheel to show to make the children interesting with eating food. We spin the wheel and the arrow points on the food that which will be their breakfast. And we made a digital one. We'll send it to the parents to show their children and choose their breakfast.
Hello, my name is Latifa Mohammed from grade 4A. Today, my project is hydraulic powered arm. This project is about creating a hydraulic powered arm that demonstrates how fluids work under pressure. I chose this project because it has lots of real-world applications, like car brakes. When you press a brake pedal, the hydraulic fluid transfers force to stop the car. This is how it works. When you press the pedal with your leg, there's something like a hoop that goes and stops the tire, so it won't move anymore. I made this project using cable tie, toothpick, cardboard, syringes, and pipes, and hot glue. If you would like to make this at home, it's a very simple and fun way. Take the cardboard, measure 20 inches. That's how I demonstrate math in it. Measure 20 inches, take a pencil and cut it out with a scissor or a cutter. You should make 2 of each. Take them Make little cubes of cardboard, make holes in them, and put them inside. Then simply add the toothpicks and add some hot glue. Then I made this using I forgot it. Using a curtain holder. I bent them and I put them right here. To make the cloth, cut out 5 inches, 2 inches, and then 3 inches. To make these, just cut 2 long straps and fold them this way. Add the little toothpicks and add some hot glue. Then make 2 holes here, put this inside, take syringes, make holes inside and place them inside. Then you can take some water, colored water, that's how I demonstrate art. You can put the water inside, then simply it can open and close. Repeat this but with different colored waters. It can go up and down.
Different color waters to differentiate how it is working.
Yes, to differentiate, and so I can demonstrate art inside. It can hold things like this.
Battery power and power good. The wind
I simply press a syringe with a low pressure so it does not pop.
Another battery powered could go to us or other place and
This is also based on Pascal's law, which states that when pressure is applied to confined fluids, the pressure is transmitted equally in each direction, just how I demonstrated. When I press, the pressure makes it go up the syringe, the water, and it goes equally in every way. Here are also different things that we use in real life, like amusement park rides. In the roller coaster, they put hydraulic fluids. Then when they press a button, it goes up and down. Windmill hydraulic systems, when the windmill has air inside of it, it won't be much air. So they put hydraulic fluids in these pipes to move this. A hydraulic roof, because roofs are very heavy, that it's not easy to do it with electricity. Mankind thought that the hydraulic fluids are very strong, so they took some pipes and buttons, they put it inside with pressure and put it on the roof. Then when a simply press of a button, the roof lifts up. And hydraulic lift that raises a great white shark. Because sharks are very heavy, they thought that what if we put wood and then put some syringes down and some pipes, fill it with fluid, and when we press something, it can lift a big white shark. That way we won't get hurt, and it's a very easy way to do it. My conclusion is that building a hydraulic powered arm is fun, and it can make students learn on hand gain how to make things. It has engineering, art, team, and technology. If you would like to know even more of what I said, you can scan these three QR codes. There are robotic dinosaurs, car brakes, and museum lifts. Thank you. Any more questions?
So you think it has got a very bright future? Hydraulic is a...
Yes.
So you plan to take up in future anything?
Yes, because it's better than using electricity, because electricity harms forests and many other environmental places, like burn down trees, because electricity is very shocking.
As cork and cardboard. By squeezing the wood, colored foam, and a small motor that rotates slowly, and a control button. It was colored, the cork cords were colored with different colors and fixed by small pieces of wood. The battery box was installed and connected to the power of this project that will move them in a circular manner. Do you have any questions?
Good morning, everybody. My name is Hassan Salah.
Hamad Yaqub. Badr Nabil.
And today our project is earthquake drill. As you can see, earthquakes can happen anytime. And it happens anytime, anywhere. Also in Japan, 2011, it happened. When it happens, it strikes millions of deaths and many losses and many injuries.
We chose this project because not only earthquake threatened the human lives, earthquake has many consequences. For example, tsunamis, falling buildings, and landslides, and many others. This model is a small alarm. We added a sensor. If there is an earthquake, the alarm will send signals to the buzzer and lights to light up and make sound.
To build my earthquake detector, I use a simple eco-friendly material like a cardboard and a battery and LED light and a sensor. So when the earthquake can, it gives a signal that the earthquake can, so the all can be safe. The people can be safe.
Do you have any questions? Okay.
It usually has noise.
Yes.
السلام عليكم، أنا اسمي محمد عبد اللطيف. أنا البروجكت مالي أسميه بيك بوت. البيك بوت مالنا إحنا سويناه عشان يحاول ينظف البيئة كاملة، بس دي مشكلة نبي نكبره هو لأن الكونتينر بعد شوية، فحين إحنا قاعد نركز نخليه زين ويقدر ياخذ أشياء مثلا هذولين. إذا إحنا استخدمناهم هو ياخذه أقل من 10 سنتيمتر، هو يسوي ديتكت حق الأشياء ذولين. إذا سوى ديتكت بياخذه يحطه داخل مني. شكرا. ها؟ نعم. فيصل يرجيك بطلة؟
وإذا كان
زين.
إذا كان منخفض على طول
هاللون يحصل شيء ويقطه فوق.
So from the collection tank, like he said, it goes into the remineralization lab. Here we add specific types of minerals such as calcium, potassium, sodium, magnesium, and bicarbonates to meet our water needs.
For example, let's see here, evaporation is happening, right?
Yes.
Condensation will happen. So all these things will already be there in water, no? Or it will just it will come out of water.
Some of them just stays. Only some.
So you need to add.
Yes.
Actually, the boiling is happening here. The condensing is happening here because this pipe has cool water going through it, and when the water passes through it, it gets cooled.
Yeah.
And by the way, this is a working model. If you come here, all these pipes are going around there, and here we have clean fresh water. Right.
It's coming from here.
This is the pH meter, where it can only be 7 to 8.
Shows right now it's showing that it's between 6 to 7.
They check the pH level, the chlorine levels, and the TDS levels every hour. And once a month, they give samples up to the quality checking labs.
Yes. And all the way, these remineralization labs are always using AI to integrate all of the chemicals and all of the atoms and everything that's being added to the water. The amount of water that's in the mineral tank and the amount of minerals that are being added to the tank, all are conserved and being saved by AI, not too much or not too less. That's it. Now I will be explaining how STEAM is integrated into our project. First of all, science. Main three kinds of science: biology, chemistry, and physics. Physics is being used by pumping the water up into the heating chambers, and most importantly, it's used by the parabolic mirrors to concentrate all the sunlight into one beam and heat the water enough so that it boils and then it turns into water vapor and goes on with the process. For chemistry, first of all, we're using the remineralization lab. We're adding chemicals to it. We're adding calcium, potassium. I think you know the meaning CHNOPS. CHNOPS. Carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, potassium, and sulfur. These are the main or like elements of life. We are all made of these elements technically. So these elements are necessary for survival, which are added to the water. Then we have biology. The only one part is that we're keeping care of biology, marine biology to be exact, by pumping water from the deep parts of the ocean so that it doesn't harm the biology. Next, we have technology. All of this science is being integrated by technology too, since all of this parabolic mirror technology, this cooling technology, and the AI technology that's being used, most importantly, is all technological, and it's being worked by the students there, by the people there. Sorry. And then engineering, this technology is being engineered by someone. All of this thing wouldn't be possible without engineering and arts, and the engineers that are working in the remineralization lab to conserve everything, the minerals and the water capacity and everything. Shamaim will explain you about art.
Artistic installations can demonstrate on how solar desalination works, making the science accessible and engaging for the general public.
Okay, and finally we have math. Actually, there is this file. Where is the file? Yeah. Maths is very important since we even have a whole worksheet on it. All of this is being considered by, even in chemicals, is being considered by moles. Mole. So 1 mole of water is going in. Here you can see.
Yeah, the calculation is important.
Yes. For the proposed project in the future, we have calculated everything that we need. We need how much water is gonna be made, how much water we are gonna be pumping from the thing, how much cubic meters of water we are actually gonna produce, and even how much water each person consumes per day. You can see how. We have calculated the annual projection, total costs.
What will be the total cost? Like, it would be really
Annual,
expensive, right?
Of course it will be, but it's worth it since it's literally no carbon emissions in the whole project. Have you seen even one thing that emits carbon or anything, carbon dioxide? Literally nothing. Here you can see it says 1 million, actually 13 million and 13,087,000 BD per year. But this is the cost of being environmentally sustainable. And here we can see the calculation and daily energy consumption and how much money the daily energy consumption actually cost.
Okay, do we have this water desalination in Bahrain?
No. We have these.
Please, can you come here? Explain them. They visited actually the only one destination planet is here in Bahrain. They visited already on this plan.
But this was indoor.
Idea.
This was indoor. It was not with the parabolic mirrors and everything. This is a proposed project, as I said before. This is a proposed project for the future of Bahrain, since we have a lot of water, we are an island, and we have a lot of sunlight. It's a desert country. So this is a proposed project, and we have this all data analysis here. We have pictures of us making the project and of us doing the research.
They actually visited the place, the actual desalination plant. They visited there. We take
Then you
permission
got an idea.
Yes.
to get an idea what they are doing. But this
Exactly,
is not solar.
it wasn't exactly. It wasn't the solar one. It was indoors. But we still got an idea about the reverse osmosis, about the technologies being used, about the science being used, and it was pretty much SDG goals.
And what they do with this with the water? Where they use it actually in real
It can
life?
be used for a lot of purposes, especially firefighting.
In airports, they are
In
using
airports,
us,
they are also pumping it for the cooling systems, for the general use in toilets and everything, and also in irrigation. And overall, our project aligns with one of the IG3 of the UN SDGs, the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. SDG number 6, clean water and sanitation for all. SDG number 7, affordable and clean energy. And most importantly, SDG number 13, climate action. And here we have a general.
Let him introduce the website.
Here we have made a website that gives you a
This is
brief,
made by themselves only. We did never inform it.
it gives you a brief information about what's the desalination, what are the ongoing projects in Bahrain, why desalination is important for Bahrain, what are the environmental impacts most importantly, how does desalination work as I explained, what are the costs, like he said, we did the maths.
Technically, a general overview of
Yes,
everything.
yes. Where desalination is needed, especially in Africa and
Hello everybody, and today we have the stick for blind people, and we're going to show you how it works. Now, and to demonstrate this, first put on the blindfold. Put on the blindfold. To demonstrate this, I put on a blindfold. It's putting on me. It's putting Abdullah on. Okay. So now I cannot see anything. So I cannot see anything. So to turn this on, I have to search up for it. Can't hurt to just with one hand. Search for the button. Okay, there. So I turn this on. It's alarm that's on. Also by the battery popping out, I can see that there's a sensor over there. So if I move, I'll find it. It's right in front of me. See?
Hello everyone, my name is Abdulaziz Mohammed Al-Murbati. This is my project, wind energy. The balls of the wind rotate that to serve electricity that's coming through wires through the light, and the switch control when the light turn on and off, as you see. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sarah.
I'm Jinan.
And I'm Rada.
And we are from Quality Education School, here to introduce our new EcoSort project. We, as in teachers and seniors, put together this project to help sustainability more in school and encourage students to recycle more in an efficient and fun way. The way this bin works, it's a smart bin. There's 4 sections: organic, trash, paper, and recyclable. If you throw something in the correct section, there is a leaderboard where your class will get plus 10 points. However, if you do it wrong, a robotic hand will take it out for you and tell you to fix your mistake. If you do it wrong again, it will fix it for you and subtract your marks by 5 points. By the end of each month, each class will get rewards such as extra PE time or more recess time. Now I'll pass the mic to Jinan to tell us why waste management is really important in schools.
Waste management is important because it helps students learn more about sustainability and responsibility. It gives students a cleaner, more healthier. Now Rada will explain about how the EcoSort works and how the game works.
So we created the smart bin for our EcoSort project. EcoSort is divided into 4 parts: organic, paper, trash, and recyclable. There is a camera on top and a sensor which can take high quality pictures of objects and identify it into their sorting. And it has a database of images with names and their sorting inside the bin. So your photos is going to be sent inside the camera, inside the system of the camera, and then it will try to find it. If it doesn't find it, it will add it to its database, and it will say for you it's correct. Then we use in the camera edge computing. Edge computing means is a language which is used for what? It is used for faster data analysis. Faster data analysis, which will enable faster processing for the images rather than sending the image for a nearby server, which will take more time and it will make the process slower. Then we created this recycling game. You can choose your class, start game. Like this is an eraser, it goes to trash. This is a banana peel, it goes to organic.
This is paper, it goes to paper. Finish game, your score is 30. Then you come here, your class adds 30 points.
To conclude, we hope this project is interesting to other students as much as it's interesting to us, because unsustainability is a big problem we're facing in other schools. Thank you for listening and attention.
Okay, so as we know, in our world, especially in Bahrain, we have a lot of factories. So we don't breathe like a pure, clean air. So we made this project to reduce the CO2, so we can get maybe cleaner air in our life. So this is a sample of a factory. Okay, so when the CO2 goes out of the factory, it goes into a tube right here. This is just a sample, so it goes through a tube. So there's a fan, and there's a display board. This display board, it has to be on into with a laptop or something. so it shows the level of the CO2. So when it shows us the level, there's LED lights. This means safe. This means this means like it's getting higher, and this means that it's like danger, and it starts buzzing. There's a buzzer. So eventually it lets the person know to like fix the situation. There's filters right here. So when after it goes, it's trapped in this box or like a chamber. So it goes right here, and it goes to algae farming. Like the algae is explain that.
After the CO2, this is basically a filter. From there, it enters the algae farms, and the algae farms grow. After the algae farms are growing, then it's going to be harvested and extracted. Once extracted, it's going to be converted into biofuel. Thank you.
Materials: balloons, straw, and tape, and bottle cap for the wheels, and plastic for the body, and balloon. Abstract: a balloon powered is supposed to move by air, escaping the balloon, and it's easy to build and hold, and easy to build with materials around your house. Mine done by Colin Johnson, grade 2A. Thank you for listening. Bulb, wire, battery, and the wire.
Little bit down. No, not you. This one. Here.
The wire is made of, and the wire is connected to flash. Everybody, today we will do alarm alarm. To use a basic alarm alarm, we need oil, water, vitamin C, water, and food coloring. What is the difference of oil and water? Oil and water does not mix together. Because oil is less density than water. Food coloring is the same density of water. So water and food coloring will mix together.
Next.
Now we put 10 drops of oil of food coloring in water. We will put oil and mix it.
Now mix that one. Hold properly. Hold the mic.
Careful, careful.
Take it. Slowly, carefully. Vitamin C is going inside.
What is this?
Which tablets are these, Baba? What will happen now? Wow.
Now it will be a lava lamp. When we added vitamin C, it sink to the bottom and start to dissolve. We can see the bubbles, and the bubbles, it is gas.
Yeah. We can smell it from here.
Don't buy
Yeah.
Don't buy Alvin, Muhammad, grade 2A, and Fatma from grade 2A.
Thank you.
Thank you, Alvin.
Thanks.
Everyone, my name is Aman Isa, and I'm from grade 2B. Today I will be testing this experience. I'm testing a bottle, vinegar, baking soda, food coloring, spoon, and balloon. So let's get started. First,
Give me the.
It's okay. You say without mic, we can hear you.
then take the vinegar and half cup. Then take the food coloring. I chose pink because I love pink and it's cute. It matches with my balloon.
Balloon. Yeah. Because you're art.
Then take the baking soda. Add baking soda in the balloon.
A good way of doing it because previously differently students they are doing. Don't worry, it will go. You have time.
Add the balloon in the ring of the bottle. Finally, lift the balloon
It
up
can
and
burst.
water
Little bits go here. It can burst.
Nice.
When the vinegar mixes with the baking soda, a chemical reaction occurs which creates a gas called carbon dioxide gas. Thank you.
Thank you. Carbon dioxide is good for us or bad?
Bad.
Bad? Which gas is good for us? Oxygen. Okay? Now you know. Okay?
Thank you, Anna.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Muhammad Arjun from grade 2A. Today I'm going to talk about roller coaster. Roller coaster go up, down, and all around. But how can they move? We built a bottle using foam board,
Okay, speak.
foam board, popsicle wooden sticks, ball, glue, scissors, and craft paper. I place a ball at the top and let it roll. See how gravity pulls the ball, making it go faster. See how friction slows the ball,
Movement
of ball. Making it go slow. What I learned. This is how real roller coasters are built, to safely from loops, head and tail. Thank you everybody and have a good, nice day. My name is Hamad. I'm from grade 1B. Today I'll tell you about my volcano. It's a small volcano. So now I'll tell you the name of the tools. First, water bottle, liquid soap, soda powder, vinegar, wet food dye, spoon, and a paper cups. So now I'll tell you how to use them. First, we take 3 spoons of soda powder, and then we mix liquid soup with red food dye with vinegar, and then we mix it, and then we will
Where is the liquid? This one in this liquid. Another place. Don't worry. Please come. Don't worry.
What?
Vinegar. Fruit color you add. Directly we put in that. No, you forgot. Mix well. Put this one in this. Forgot.
What's inside?
Fatima?
My name is Abbas Farid from grade 1A. Today I will talk about my rubber band car. I have car and I want to know how they work. I make it from 4 objects. I make it from bottle caps, rubber bands, wooden sticks, and straws. Procedure. I stick the stick and put the bottle caps and put in it the wooden stick. This is big and this is small. And then I put the battery because I want it to be heavier. And I put the straws too in the bottle cap and put the rubber band in front of the car. I take the rubber band and put it and I push the rubber band and it will go.
Do it from this side to this side. Do it.
I learned from my project. I'm from grade 1B. Today I will present to you my science fair project, which is about circuits in a traffic light. How to make a simple traffic light by using electric circuits. Is that impossible? No, it's not impossible. I use some materials like batteries, electric wires, a switch, a plastic tape, a plastic pipe, a small lamp, black color, a board, and a small car. With the help of my father, I connected the wires to the lamp and switch. We fixed the pipe to the plastic box and painted it to create special traffic lights. Now I will show you how my traffic light works. When I press the first switch, the red light will turn on. That means you must stop. When I press the second switch, the yellow light will turn on. That means you must get ready. When I press the third switch, the green light will turn on. That means you must go. I choose this topic because the traffic light is important to save our life. I was very happy if this worked, and today I consider myself the genius of Tiger School. Thank you for your time and attention. Do you have any questions?
Wonderful.
So M is how to learn the volcano.
This is my project. It is the car and the road. The car and the car. This house there. The magnet. What's called the big house there. And this will move the car.
Take the ball, take the magnet, show them whether it is magnetic or non-magnetic.
The ball is non-magnetic because it's plastic. And the white car is non-magnetic because it's plastic. And the spoon is magnetic because it's metal. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to be displaying my project. Have you heard about magnetic elevator? The tools I used for this project consists of one small engine, but how we can press the switch of button. The box will go up by turning on the wheel. In this project, the engine is changing from electrical energy to kinetic energy. Benefits of the elevator. It has both and equipment to move easily, and it can be and other factors increases the value of safety, optimizes
Like the elevator, they have to use keep the area around the elevator neat and far from furniture. If the elevator is stuck, don't open the door. Use the elevator phone for hands. Be sure to hold your bags and pens away from the doors. Thank you. If
Yeah, nice.
If you need more information about my little elevator, you could scan my QR code. Today I'm going to talk about wind turbine technology, how wind turbines work. First, the wind turbine kinetic energy. 2. The bulbs turn to generator shaft and electric energy. 3. A transformer to the right volt. 4. The electricity is stored to the electricity grid. Advantage of wind energy. In pollution-free, lesser space for installation.
لا خلينا نكون في
Wind turbine, battery power.
My name is Abdurrahman from grade 4A. Today I will tell you about my experiment circuit. First, I will tell you about the materials. This, we need wires and lights and battery and 4 wheels and a cardboard and paper. This 2 wires for to open the light and this 2 wires to open the sound and this 2 wires to open the motor. The benefit of the battery make everything work, the electricity, and the motor making the car move. Now, can I show you? When I grow in the future, I will be engineer electricity. Electrical, and I will make for me Lamborghini and for my Ferrari, and I will give you for all of you free.
We can drink it, we can take shower with it, we can cook. We have 5 canteen water filtration in Bahrain. First thing is equipment of board glasses, straws, snacks, scissors, contact, rulers, scissors,
No, all finished?
take the cardboard and
Yeah, yes.
After that, we take the syrup
Dabia, meanwhile you are presenting, can you put water because the process will start and I know it will be slow, so water will reach till there.
Now we will put in first cup and
Put it all. So because I know it will take time, now you do presentation.
after that, it will be in this shape. After we bring sandstone to this cup and we put it in the cup. After we put the water in the first
How many steps you took for purification? 1, 2, 3, 4.
The blood with carbon dioxide comes from the upper body and the lower body and enter the right heart. From the right heart, the blood goes to the lung. In the lung, blood leaves the carbon dioxide and takes oxygen. Then go to the left heart. From the left heart, the blood goes out and into the body.
Do it experiment.
Where does the blood go? The blood goes to the carbon dioxide. And the carbon dioxide go for oxygen. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ridwa from grade 2A. Today I will show you how to make magic ink. First,
Can we go for W
baking
first?
soda with water. Then we mix turmeric with sanitizer. Okay, can I mix?
Yes. You're doing good.
It's okay, put it down. Don't touch it. Then we mix Now we will mix turmeric with sanitizer.
What is this?
Sanitizer معقم.
Okay, don't close. Just keep it.
Sorry. Oh, أبيض. لازم أكتب.
Okay.
Now we will mix it.
لا ما عليك.
Now we will put cotton bud.
ايوه خدي من المكان بس اللي ما فيه اصفر.
I do one in the home. I will do now one. Then we will write your secret message. خذها وروح على الأسفل. Then let it dry. I do one for What happened? Where is I will put the paper so big? What happened? How? Where are
There you can put, no problem.
Now,
Food dry, food dry.
Yeah. Okay.
ما شاء الله عليك يا حاج. وايد حلو.
I would like to thank all the Tylos management to arrange such a nice STEAM fair. It was so amazing. It's a really very much good experiment for us, like a good experience for all of us. Thank you so much. So nice of you.
Now, I call upon Hawra Tahir to propose the vote of thanks.
All. Today, I feel incredibly honored and privileged to have been allowed to extend a vote of thanks on this auspicious occasion. On behalf of the Department of Science and Technology, I would like to thank CEO Mr. Hassan, Principal Ms. Sadiqa, Vice Principal Ms. Manan Zuwaid for their unwavering and consistent support. I extend a hearty thanks to all the participants from collaborating schools, accompanying teachers for their efforts in guiding the students, nurturing nurses from High Care Medical Center for making this event a grand success. A special thanks to all our respected judges for judging the event, our volunteers and administration who lended support at all times. Behind the success of every student lies the effort of the sincere and talented teachers, which shapes and inspires them to become responsible citizens. I express my gratitude to Miss Angela, Miss Ashwarya, Miss Bindu, Miss Anita, Mr. Moses, Miss Ariba, and Miss Ashia for their untiring efforts in making this event successful. The fair may end, but curiosity will never bend, so let your ideas transcend. Thank you and hope to meet you next year.
Good afternoon. It was just an amazing experience. The second time we are participating in your event. It is really thrilling that our students get such a nice opportunity. Okay, see you soon next year also.
Thank you so much, the Tylos School, for conducting such a nice event, because our children got an opportunity to participate in this competition. It is really a nice experience for them. Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you, Tylos School. Thank you so much for giving an opportunity for us to participate in this competition. Thank you.
Congratulations, Quality Education School. You were really amazing. We really appreciate your hard work, your efforts. Your projects really inspired other students to learn. So how was it, doing this project, and what were the challenges you faced?
We faced one challenge during the project, which is making our model. But after time, we helped each other and we did it by ourselves.
We'd like to thank our seniors and teachers because they really helped us during this process.
As you said, every failure is a step to success, and the result is seen you've succeeded. Congratulations once again. Congratulations, you were really amazing, and your project was really, really good. It was a really eco-friendly project. We appreciate that. How was your experience doing this project, and what were the challenges you faced while working on it?
So the experience was like so fun, and it's not about winning, like it's about having a fun, great experience and learning too. So I didn't face any challenges or something because I am a person who really likes to talk to people. Yeah, so it's great. I love it.
Like it was like a great experience. Like I've learned a lot. And also learned how to interact with teammates. And it's not all about winning. It's about teamwork and such stuff.
I also learned a lot of stuff. I learned teamwork. I met new friends. I got to learn how a STEAM fair, what's their competition like, and they were many good projects. So yeah, it was a good experience.
First, congratulations to the winners. You were really amazing, and we are really proud of you. What did you learn from you? What is your takeaway from this event today?
A lot, just mostly is presentation skills, because you can learn whatever that school is teaching you, but you can't present it. This opportunity was really good to actually present whatever we learned and whatever we made in the as the project. Wonderful.